In this video, I will show you how to download Unlikely for free, or you can just play it online. I will show you both in this video. Firstly, we need to go to itch.io website and in search type Unlikely. In drop-down you should see the game. Click on it. I will leave link in description to this site. Now you can play it online by clicking on Run Game. If for some reason it doesn't work on the web, you can simply download this game by clicking on Download Now button. In new pop-up, you can donate some money to game developers, or just simply click on No Thanks, just take me to the downloads. You land in this page where you need to click Download for your device. I am using Windows, so I will click on Download button besides Windows icon. After download is finished, you need to locate and extract folder. If by right-clicking on File you don't see extract, just download WinRAR, it's free. When extracted, just go into Folder and double-click Game Launcher. Game will start in a bit. I hope this video is helpful and you will give it thumbs up. Thanks for watching and thanks for 1,000 subscribers.